Welcome to Spartan Equipment. Today I want to talk about the Ripper attachment that we offer for skid steer loader and compact track loader. This unit that I have here displayed is 84 inches wide, and it has the optional comb assembly or rake, either or. And we also are displaying this unit. It comes standard, the 84 does, with 6 Ripper or scarifying teeth. So you can, before you cart out, add additional rippers. On this unit, you can add an additional 5 rippers. Depending on the overall width, you can add 4 or 5, but our website, when you shop with us online, will determine how many more teeth you can cart out on this unit. But this unit basically is made for several different applications. Ripping fallow ground is a great one with the rippers. You would go backwards, of course, with the rake tines to break up and fracture fallow ground. The comb assembly works as a finishing rake. So that eliminates most all hand raking, and it's a great piece for landscapers. We sell a lot of these, mostly to landscapers, but there's other applications that people use these for. But this size unit, I would say, I would recommend an 84 to be on skid steers in the 65 horsepower and above class. But we do make these in various width, 60 inch, 66 inch, 72, 84, and we even make a 96 inch so that you can cover a really wide swath. On the bigger compact track loaders, mainly would be the machine to use that. It has the universal skid steer mount interface. We have gussets to reinforce and give it actual strength to the rear tubing, which is a 3x3 tubing on the top and the bottom. We have a welded cleat on the center tubing to make it easier and safer for operators to exit and enter their machine. And then, of course, you got the cotter pins here that you can take the ripper teeth completely out, or you can adjust them. So they're 18 inches, a little over 18 inches in overall length. But there's holes drilled in them where you can pin them in different stages. So you can get an 8-inch rake or a 4-inch rake depth. So you can do the depth control there. Once and if you ever need to replace the comb assembly, it simply unbolts. We sell the replacement hardware with the comb assembly for you to make that an easy change out. So if you have any questions or concerns about this item, before you cart out, you can always call us, talk to one of our techs, or message us right through our website. Our website is spartanequipment.com, and we're going to give you a little rotation view of the unit in its entirety all the way around. But very popular unit. It's the price point. It's a great investment on return for finish raking, like I say, ripping fallow ground. And you can visit us anytime online. I would like you to consider liking and subscribing our channel so that you get more information from us and current information, as well as our educational series. So thanks for spending a few minutes with us today, and I hope to hear from you soon.